Guys, well, there's Louis 1021s, 4.5s. They're getting ready to be shipped off tomorrow morning now that I finally have the money to ship them off. It is cold as hell. It was about 80 degrees yesterday. Now it's about 53. Really sucks. But I'm headed off to Lowe's, going to get some long ass self-tapping bolts so I can bolt down those 2 foot pieces. But show you how it's looking in the daytime. Just make sure nothing fell over because they are not bolted down. It's cold. Still looking good. Yep. The task today is the sides. Well, guys, just got back from Lowe's. Got a few goodies, just mainly some screws and shit. But I love how when I'm in math class, people bitch about how they're never gonna use like this math and shit. I use it every fucking day, guys. I don't always have time to get a calculator, so I do most of it in my head. Just why Steven loves me. Alright guys, here we go. We got crush. We got some blood. And we got sides. And we got love. It's kind of dark. Here we go. Yep, there's the sides of the wall. Let me back up right quick. Looking pretty snazzy. All mainly bolted in, mostly. You see those patches down there. I had some mildly significant gaps that I wasn't very comfortable with, and I have no wood left, so got a small gap down there. Nothing big, nothing that I can't fix. Got all these L brackets. There's about 12 of them in there right now. See some more down there. But yeah, looking good. Probably gonna go either later on or tomorrow to go get a crap load more 2x3, 2x4 and line the sides with them and get some longer screws too. Then next is the back, then I'll do the ceiling. But it's just a little update for today. I did get the sides done, I'm happy, so. And crush is good. If you guys don't know him, Chattleman.
I just hit my head on the garage.
You hit your head on the garage. Ouch. Hey, that's not that bad. My mom ripped the spoiler off the van with it. The last garage door. I'm trying to think. There was other things I needed to say, but I don't remember what. Oh well, I guess it wasn't that important. Got anything you want to say, Chattleman?
Happy birthday, Mom!
Oh yeah, it's Chattleman's mom's birthday today. Whatever.